Okay guys, I'll show you now how to assemble the main extruder nozzle, right? So what you can see is the bottom rod, the slider which is fixed on the bottom rod has to come in upward direction. Make sure that the slider which is fixed on the bottom portion of the rod has to come up. Okay, this is how we have to fix the rod. So better while fixing, you just take it on one side, push it inside, right? And so put this nozzle and push your rod, keep pushing the rod, it has to reach to the other portion of the slider box. So all the holes and positions are so tight. Okay, gently you have to operate. Flow from one side on other side. Okay, done. Okay, fine. So little bit push down one side, little more. Fine. See this? So this bottom slider box as well as nozzle. See, the nozzle has to move, nozzle position has to move very gently, smoothly. See here also, this is x-axis now. See, this movement is very smooth. Similarly, what you have to do? So I need to take one more rod and I'll keep this at the center. So I'll put it on the other slide box. Right, x-axis and this is y-axis. See how nicely it is moving. Right, our x and y-axis arrangement is done. Only we have to eye left with the belt fixing.